What is up, everybody? All right, follow-up video 2 weeks ago. These are some seeds that I planted in one of these little hydroponic gardens, otherwise known as an arrow garden. So again, a couple of things I didn't state in the first video. Sorry about that wobbling. I don't know what that was. These seeds were like 3 to 4 years old, so I was a little worried how viable they were going to be, but I figured, what the heck, I'll give it a shot. So here we are 2 weeks later. You can see some haven't really done anything. So, which again, what I'm getting out of these is I'm happy with, considering as old as they were. So again, I did two different types. So surprisingly, the one I thought that wouldn't do as well has a couple of plants that are doing the best. So few things I want to go over with this. Like I said, this is going to be a pretty short video. This is just a follow-up of that original. Well, one, unfortunately, they actually were doing a lot better than they are right now. But as you can see, these two here, my helpers decided to stick their nose in there to check on them and knocked off the tops. So yeah, so those two are, the one actually looks like it's trying to push something out the top, which is kind of amazing. So yeah, I had two other ones that were doing really well there. Hindsight, I put this in a bad spot to where my dog could get up and look inside. I didn't think they'd do that, but apparently they really do want to help. The other thing I want to go over with everybody is some of these. Now, obviously, some of these seeds they're not taking, but a lot of these, what you'll find is when they start to come out about like this one, you're going to see where it's about to split into two. I'm going to see but you'll see on this side, the brown, that's just this tail that was on those is when they start to grow. You can, and what I did with these ones that look good right here is once they get to a certain height, you can, again, I have these tweezers, just an example. You can take tweezers and you can peel that off carefully because you'll see, like, again, this one's still stuck together. It still has some on it still, but it'll eventually split apart. They will split apart, but sometimes this tail on these, it's so dry. You could probably, I've spritzed them before too, but even this one, there's a little left here, but you're really gentle. Like if it doesn't come off, you don't mess with it. But if it just pulls right off, you're not trying to do a lot of force. Sometimes it'll be like this one, you can kind of see, I don't know if I can show you, but this tip is really white because these were stuck together earlier and I pulled the little brown piece of that was still stuck on this and it popped open. So you'll see by tomorrow, that tip will turn green. This plant this little one right here and this little one right here were completely white a day ago. So, but once I peeled that off, all of a sudden that light started hitting them and man, you see that starting to green up. Again, no rhyme or reason why some are doing much better than others. That is what it is. It just happens. The one thing that if you can see that I haven't taken care of yet is you're going to see that with these, a lot of times you'll start getting algae growth. You can do a water hydrogen peroxide mix. You got to look up the percentages. I can't remember right now. I think I know, but I'm not about to say it and be wrong. And you can spray that on there and that way it won't hurt the plant, but it'll get rid of that algae. Also, what you can do is, and I didn't do it this time. I wanted to show people this, but what you can do is just cover this with foil with just the plant sticking through the foil. But you want to do that pretty early on because once that growth is started, you want to do it to stunt it from happening. Sometimes these will come with little paper things to put in there. I find it easier just to take a little foil and make a little slit in it. You just want to keep the sunlight from getting on this pod, and then that'll keep that algae growth down. Again, I find that easier. Once I do it now, I'll probably cover some of these some of them you'll see once they get pretty tall like this, I don't worry as much about that algae. These things are going to start taking over and growing. It's just when they get little, you want to be careful. A little bit of green is no problem. It's when it starts getting pretty fuzzy and bubbly, and you'll see when you'll know what I'm talking about when it happens. Like a little bit of green, I'm not that worried about right now. Like some of these, this one's not, there's barely any green. Some of them in the back, especially that one that didn't do good anyways, since that plant wasn't taking any nutrients or doing anything, that algae is just exploding. So yeah, again, just follow. Big thing was just follow up to show how they're doing. This is 2 weeks in. So I'll do another follow up just to show where we are in the next phase. And yeah, just give people the confidence to do this and make it happen. Again, these are 3 to 4 year old seeds, so I didn't know what to expect, and I'm happy with so far what I look like I'm going to get out of them. Considering if the dogs didn't break off the 2, I'd have 10, which I'm good with. So, yep, that's it. So again, like, subscribe, shout out to me, throw some comments. If you have some questions, throw me some questions. Until next time, y'all have a great day.